Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make your custom ringtone. But first you're gonna need to get like a shortcut that will help you like get stuff videos to audio if you want the video music to be your ringtone. So yeah, just put in this stuff. Try to find it in the search, I guess.
Owen.
Yes, Kayla.
I got big teeth.
Okay. Yeah, so just put on this stuff. Because I don't really feel like doing this again. Because it already took me like 10 minutes to find this on YouTube. So yeah, once you got that, you have to go to GarageBand. Yes, I already made multiple songs. So you're gonna click plus. If you want it to be this song, you're gonna go to audio recorder. You're gonna click 3 broken bars. And you're gonna see this. So if you already have your audio in audio, gonna go here. If you want it to be like a song that's in Apple Music, then you just go to, there should be an Apple tab, but I guess there should be a music tab, but I guess it's not there because I'm on a GPIC restricted iPad, but there's some Apple loops here. But I don't really need an Apple loop, so I'm just gonna pick one of these. Yes, I have I'm Still Awake, because I think that song is pretty funny. I have 2 of those. I have 3. Already got that. It's corn.
Every day I think of all the things I'll make.
I'll use this one. So I just hold down, and then I'm just gonna take this at the top.
Every day I think of all the things I'll make with my hands.
Just gonna delete this extra part. Just move the silence.
Every day I think of all the things I'll make with my.
Yeah, if your song isn't long enough for you're just gonna click the plus on the side, and then you're gonna go click on the bottom. Then you're just gonna slide it up to as much as you need. But it only goes up to 2,000. Yeah, so I'm gonna need to zoom in because this looks like an atom. Because it's like a pixel wide. It's only that long. So let's see how many beats this is. So it's about 89, but since I won't, there's this piece of silence.
My hands, my mixer and my other tray. Get the eggs.
Go to the end,
Cake and steak. Cake and steak. Marker, yellow base clock, pen and pen, eraser and rocky, teardrop bell, robot flower. Keep winning cake and you'll get 2's power.
Okay, so I'm just gonna lower the beats down to 89 since I want the whole song so good. So the nearest beat. Just gotta take this to 89. Was it 89? Yep, it was 89. There we go. So now once you got your song, you can also put another song. But I don't really need another song. I think this is okay. So if you're on iPad, you're gonna click the little like paper with the corner fold. But if you're on iPhone, I guess you're gonna click the down arrow. I don't know. I don't got GarageBand on my app. I don't even know the Apple ID. I don't even know how to make one. But I don't even know if my mom can pay for 2 Apple IDs. So once you click the paper or the down arrow, it's gonna take you to your files. I mean your GarageBand files here. And it's gonna say your song, and it's gonna be the number of songs that you made plus 1. So this is the 6th song I made, the 6th one. So once you've done that, you just have to stay in this app, and then you're gonna hold down on your song. You're gonna click share, and then you're gonna find this. If you want to be a ringtone, you click ringtone, and then just do the rest.